Presetting Part 0. When presetting your Part 0, this can be done with either the tool you are using or an edge finder. You can preset the radius of the tool or the edge finder. In our example, we will be touching off with a 1-inch shell mill. For the x-axis, from the jog mode, you will jog your x-axis until you are at the position of the edge of the tool. You will enter the following keys: X, the number of the radius of the tool you are touching off, enter to confirm your position, and enter to execute the command. You will repeat this for the y-axis, and again for the z-axis.